boy, I'm hungry, I see, man. Hungry. Good thing I have a little weed if we go and keep me company, you know? Yeah.
Yo, Russ.
How do you recharge it?
Hey, man. That's the man.
Yeah.
No, greens on this, man.
I want to tell you,
Just
I want to tell you, have a little about it. Can't share it. Look at my eye, I see the glaucoma.
Oh,
yes,
Jesus.
man, this is for the glaucoma.
Eh.
And the little spear I have left for the, you know, the little pain in my right ankle.
Oh,
You see
Jesus,
me?
man.
So you know the marijuana good for that.
Yes,
You
man.
see me?
Good thing, man. Good thing.
Good old
Yeah.
weed. That's what I say.
I understand.
Yes, man. And it not mash up your lungs, you know?
Eh.
Marijuana does not mash up your lungs.
And them are going to talk to you, marijuana mash up, man.
Yes, man. If you check the business inside community, them do a research a couple years ago.
I true that?
Yes, man. And it not mash up your lungs. No, not at all, man. Nothing like that. And
Eh.
it contain a chemical named cannabidiol. Yes, this helps the brain.
Hey, Rasta, man. I don't know that word still, you
Yes,
know.
man. It helps the brain, man.
To marijuana. Sure, Rasta. Can't remember.
Yeah, man. It helps the brain, man. Yeah. Yeah. And it helps slow learning, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to be your brain have to mature first before you use it.
Okay.
Yeah, not good for young youth, for young smokers. You know what I mean?
I see.
Yeah, you have to be of a certain age.
I understand.
When I look, I fix my hairstyle. Yeah.
Cause she said the year grow, they do right.
Yeah, man, that grow, man, tall.
Yes,
Reach
man.
me, uncle.
I went so started, you know, just a started, so good.
You're ready, man. Anyways, you know?
Yes, man.
I going
One more thing.
Yeah.
What go with the father? Me here go with the father.
Yes, man, them lock up my father, but
For what now?
for selling the medical marijuana.
But this, that's why I can't take them Babylonian, you know, man.
Yes, I tell you, sir, right now they are hungry, cause I no money.
Why I can see it by your lips, man. You're hungry,
I'm
man.
telling you, I didn't even go to school today.
I'm joking,
No
right?
money.
Eh.
Yeah, that was the main income in my family, the marijuana, I'm telling you.
Oh.
Yes, man, it's a good market for it, you know.
Yes,
Yes,
man.
man, it's a good market.
Yes.
If Jamaica was to open this market right now, we could make a lot of money, I'm telling you.
Right now, I'm gonna walk on the ice cube, I'm rich.